Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching Freeform and creating a new canvas, so you can capture ideas immediately. Use a grid background for structured notes or a blank one for free flow. Either works. Pair your Apple Pencil in settings and pick your preferred pen or highlighter for handwriting. Once done, set a comfortable zoom and canvas orientation so your first strokes land where you expect. This first setup minimizes friction and primes you to start jotting, drawing, or importing content right away. Next, combine handwriting, typed text, and images to build a usable note system. Create sticky notes for quick ideas and text blocks for structured points. Insert PDFs or screenshots for reference. Use multi-select or the lasso tool to group related items, then drag those groups into titled sections so your board reads like an outline. Resize and pin important elements so they stay visible while you work. These steps keep your canvas navigable as content grows and support faster review. To finish, clean up stray marks and arrange sections into a logical flow, then export your board as a PDF or PNG for sharing, or send an editable board link for collaboration. Make a duplicate before major edits and ensure iCloud backup is enabled so you don't lose work. If you encounter lag or drawing stutter, close background apps, reduce the number of active elements, and restart the iPad. These fixes usually restore smooth performance quickly. That keeps your notes reliable and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.